afternoon to you.
How was your morning?
It was good.
It was good. Yeah. How was your morning like?
It was good.
There are so many
Assignments.
assignments. You have to be leaning on us. When is today?
Okay.
When is today?
30th.
Well, I would like to know those who are present and absentee. Joy,
Present.
Yvonne,
Present.
Christian,
Present.
Abanas,
Present.
and Dad.
Present.
Well, I can see you're all present. So let us move forward. Our topic today, our title is Meaning of Community Resources and Community Needs.
Meaning of community.
Community and community needs. By the end of the lesson, I expect each one of you to have the following at the back of your head. In your lesson, X. Define the following terms. Define community, community resources, and community needs. Okay? Yeah. So let's begin. Yvonne,
Yes.
what is, can you define for me the term community?
Community. These are the people living together at a particular geographical area,
Yeah.
and they share same norms. They share norms, values, and beliefs.
Well, that's a very comprehensive definition. Did you hear what she said?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a group of people who settle at a given geographical location due to shared interests. Therefore, they become a community, right?
Yes.
Well, now I want us to move forward to community resources. Christine, kindly define for us what a community resource is.
Community resources, these are materials
Yeah.
that are used in the community to bring income.
Okay. Any other definition?
Community resources
Yeah.
are the assets, facilities, services, organization, or people and strength available within a community that can be used to meet needs or solve problems.
Nice one. Basically, what you do for a community resource, they are the services and the assets resources that are found within the community that enable the community to develop on its own. You understand? Yes. Now, any other person, I want someone to volunteer and define what a community need is.
Community need. These are things that enables the community to move forward, like the hospitals. These are needs of schools. And we understand it that way.
Yeah. Any other person?
The community needs, these are gaps or problems or things that require that must be addressed to improve the well-being or functioning of the quality of life of community members.
Nice. A community, as she said, just to add on what she said, a community need, a need is a want. What you need yourself could be human capital, empowerment, such things. So those are community needs. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, we move to the types of community resources. Types of community resources. I want to use this strategy. Sorry. Anyone with one? Oh, thank you. I would like you to come and write types of community resources that are found within our communities. Types of community resources. Nice. Very nice. Those include funds. Human resources and labor. Next. Nice. Natural resources are the. Yes, next. Next. Anyone? Nice. Any other? Any other? I think you've exhausted the list. For the economic resources, natural resources, they include the water, air. Sorry, those are natural resources. And then there is the financial resources, which are the funds. And then human resources, labor, for instance, the teachers, nurses, doctors. So is the point home there? Do you understand the types of community resources?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we move forward to the types of community needs. Remember we said a need is a want. So the types of community needs. Okay? But I would like you to read in a group of 2, and then we discuss the types of community needs. Okay? Yeah, you have 5 minutes, so hurry up. In a group of 2 people, get yourself into a group, and then you give me the types of community needs. Okay? Yes. Now. Yes?
Basic needs.
I want you, when you state, you also explain, and then you give us an example, okay? Now, group 1. Amina, your group is 1.
Yes.
Group 2. And you?
3.
3. And you?
4.
4. Well, you begin with group 1. You give us, you define, and then you state, you define, and you give us an example.
Okay.
Nice.
Basic needs. These are needs that someone can't survive without them. So these are like water, sanitation, food, health, and shelter.
Nice. Yeah. Group 2. Group 2, give me the types of community needs.
Safety and security needs. These are like crime prevention and law enforcement, fire protection, emergency services, safe infrastructure like roads and lightning.
Yeah, those are community needs. Group 3. Group 3.
Educational needs. These are examples are quality schools and like adult schools, and
Also, educational needs entail, they entail schools, training areas. For instance, these festivities are a community. Yeah, it's a kind of community need, yeah. Which group has not said anything? Well, let me help you. Another need is social and recreational needs. They include parks, recreational facilities. Another one? No, before we go there, can someone give me an example of a real example of a recreational facility? Swimming pool. Nice. Another one? Recreational facilities. Quiver. You sure that's a recreational for entertainment, for those who love partying. And then next is environmental needs. They include the climate adaptation, pollution control. Yeah. And then we have infrastructure needs. Maureen, kindly explain to us what infrastructure needs are. From the, you can just, infrastructure refers to, it entails structures, buildings. You understand? So from there, you can deduce that an infrastructure need is a one that entails, we need buildings, structures like hospitals, like better transportation facilities. Those are infrastructures, okay? Is the point home? Yeah.
Yes.
Why are you so quiet? Is my teaching mode so boring?
No.
Then be vibrant, okay?
Yes.
Another one is economic needs, which entail employment. In community, we need the employment opportunities for the nurses, teachers, doctors, okay? Yeah. Anybody with a question? Do not tell me you've understood everything. Ask anything. any question?
Yes, you have understood.
Well. Done. So, before we break this class, I would like you to, when you go home, you work on this assignment. It's an individual one. Discuss the importance of community resources. Okay?
Yes.
To discuss the importance of community
Resources.
we will begin from there in our next class, okay? Thank you for being vibrant students. I hope you've written down the assignment.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
You can as well quit